Ethereum price prediction. Bitcoin once again pumped over the weekend and registered a new all-time high above $60,000. As BTC chased new targets, the largest altcoin Ethereum, which is known as ETH, has also been moving higher on the price scale. The altcoin has been witnessing a good rally until the market saw a correction at the time of this video. Ethereum was trading at $1,789 with a market capitalization of $207.28 billion. So if we look at Ethereum 4-hour chart, we can see Ethereum has been indicating a highly volatile market. The value of the cryptocurrency was close to the resistance at $2,000 before retracing. At the time of this video, the price of digital asset was noting selling pressure, but it could also be a part of a correction owing to the sudden hype. So what is the reason? The Bollinger Bands diverged, indicating the high volatility in the market. As the rising price got obstructed at $1,895, the price began to plunge. The 50 simple average was acting as a support while the signal line had moved above the candlesticks, nothing the rise of the bears. The relative strength index was at 44, which was under the equilibrium zone. This indicated that the selling pressure was rising in the market and the buyers were unable to maintain the high price for now. The rising selling pressure clubbed with the momentum in the market. A fall to $1,716 might be possible. So what are the crucial levels? Entry level $1,774.46. Take profit $1,681.13. Stop level $1,837.88. Risk to reward 1.47. The above chart of Ethereum has been indicating that digital assets price could see a further decline. As it retraced from $1,895, the rising selling pressure may push the value to $1,716. The Bitcoin market has also been seeing a correction set in, which could escalate the drop coming to the Ethereum market. Ethereum, alongside other cryptocurrencies, is bleeding due to the re-emergence of the crypto ban in India. If support at the 200 SMA fails to hold, Ether may extend the drop to $1,600. Holding above $1,700 and reclaiming the ground at $1,800 would keep the uptrend intact. Ethereum has lost support at $1,800 and is currently hunting for another higher support, preferably above $1,700. The widespread declines come after reports emerged that the incoming ban on cryptocurrencies in India is meant to frustrate users. India's ban on cryptocurrencies become apparent. India has been considering banning cryptocurrencies from its economy for a while now. However, the government had not discussed the matter fully until reports surfaced, citing the finance minister for saying that a calibrated position will be taken on the topic. One report on Reuters mentioned a senior government official who knew the new developments. The official outlined that India was contemplating banning cryptocurrency in almost all forms, such as holding, mining, and trading. So that's why Ethereum freefall intensifies. Ethereum is almost testing the near-term support target at 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. Trading under this zone would be disastrous, and it would trigger panic selling among investors. Besides this support, the 100 SMA is in line to prevent losses from extending to $1,600. Moreover, Ether has broken below the rising wedge pattern, hinting at a 24% downswing to $1,360. The relative strength index has cemented the bearish outlook on the 4-hour chart. Support at the 200 SMA will be instrumental in preventing the potentially massive declines to $1,360. Reclaiming the ground above $1,800 and the 50 SMA will bring Ether out of the woods and place it on the trajectory to all-time highs. Price can reach support, which is 1715, and pull back. We'll have good chance to open long position as soon as Ethereum will start growing. Nearest resistance, which is 1850, can be our first target. As we look at my chart, we can see How Ethereum developed this main ascending channel formation marked within the boundaries in blue. Besides that, Ethereum has a coherent wave count within the formation in which it already almost complete finished the waves A to C in the structure, and now with the wave D about to complete the next times. This wave D will be ending and move directly into the main backup cluster marked in blue, where several supports lying, and therefore Ethereum has a great potential given for a bounce within this zone. When such a price action happens and Ethereum bounces decisively, this will be the major origin of the final wave E to the upside, which will complete the whole wave count. Now, when Ethereum manages to bounce within the structure and move on the wave E developments as suggested, this can lead to an initial breakout above the main all-time high condition resistance, and when this happens, it has to be elevated how Ethereum possibly manages the stabilization above this zone as it is marked in my chart. When Ethereum manages a sustainable consolidation and confirmation of the level as support, such as price action can be lead to an upside breakout above the upper boundary of the ascending channel. And when this happens, Ethereum will continue with the wave E extension above the boundary with further levels to be pointed. So it will be an interesting development ahead. Two indicators in confluence. Keep in mind that bearish divergence can be invalidated if this impulse continues, in which case the RSI would make a HH price. The rising wedge is a rising wedge, no doubt, but and we are yet to retest the SR zone at 1600. If we lose support on this wedge, my target big is 1600. As you can see, the support line and the resistance zone play the main role in the chart. Since March 8, the price has been near the resistance zone and does not leave it. Vechain Price prediction. Technical suggests a climb to $0.08 possible. The Vechain Price rally is exhilarating, become the best performing cryptocurrency today. The VT price surged to an all-time high of $0.0754 today, bringing its total value to more than $4.6 billion. It is now the 18th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. Vechain Price has been in a strong upward trend. It has rallied by more than 280% this year and by almost 30% in the past 7 days. This performance is mostly because many companies are adopting the Vechain Thor platform to build apps that connect the blockchain technology to the real world. Some of the companies using the network are LVMH, Walmart China, and BYD. The VT price has also rallied because of social media hype. In the past few months, many social media users, especially those in Reddit, have continued to hype Vechain, leading many users to buy the currency because of fear of missing out, which is known as FOMO. This demand could keep rising as the US Treasury Department continues to distribute the stimulus package. Now looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price has formed an ascending channel that is shown in black. The current price is slightly below the upper side of this channel, and also the price is slightly above the 25-day moving averages and the previous top at $0.0600. Therefore, in my view, the price will keep rising as bulls target the next key resistance at $0.80, which is the upper side of the channel. However, a drop below $0.0645 will invalidate this trend.